Hello guys, today our friends of Honova have sent us this roll of 45 microfiber towels. They come in a roll and you can actually tear them as you use them. It is a very convenient way to actually have all these towels instead of just buying a pack and just having them occupying a lot of space. Now this roll does not occupy a lot of space and it's very simple to use. In order to actually just get one of the towels, all you simply need to do is pull and the towel will tear off the roll. These towels measure 12 by 12 inches, okay? So they're very good size, to actually be using them as a cleaning cloth, for any surface. Okay, you can use this for the kitchen use, for cleaning windows. You can actually use this to clean the car. You can actually use this for so many applications. Look at all the water that it retains. If this was a paper towel, this will be already unusable, but since this is microfiber towels, this is reusable. Now, these towels will have up to 50 times more use, okay, than a regular paper towel. You can actually put them on your wash machine to actually wash them. This is definitely an alternative for paper towels so that we don't have to be buying paper towels. Another feature that this microfiber towel has is that they don't scratch and they actually don't leave excess linting onto any surface. You can just leave everything very clean and these towels will get actually rinsed on water again and get them ready for your next use. You can definitely use them with any of your cleaning supply sprays, and you can make sure that you don't leave any lint or any excess of the microfiber towel. You can actually use these microfiber towels to clean your electronics, including your screens, without scratching them. Definitely these microfiber towels have a lot of uses and they can actually be used on any surface. I hope that the information about this roll of microfiber towels was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.